If you're managing remote teams, you know how challenging it can be to keep everyone aligned and productive. That's where Monday.com comes in. It's designed to streamline the way teams collaborate, track projects, and hit deadlines all in one place. But is it the right tool for your team? Stick around to find out, and I'll also share some alternatives that could work even better for your specific needs. First off, let's talk about Monday.com's core feature, its flexibility. Whether you need a project management tool for a small team or a large enterprise, Monday.com scales with you. You can easily customize dashboards, workflows, and communication tools to match the way your team works. But this customization can sometimes feel overwhelming. While it offers lots of features, the learning curve can be steep for new users, especially when trying to set up automated workflows or custom dashboards. Next thing, collaboration. With remote teams, keeping everyone on the same page is crucial. Monday.com excels here with its real-time updates and transparent task tracking. Each team member has a clear view of what they're working on, and managers can easily check in on progress. The problem is, as your team grows, the interface can get cluttered with all the tasks and updates. It can become hard to keep track of everything without getting lost in the details. Now, let's talk integrations. Monday.com supports a wide range of apps: Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, and more. For many remote teams, this makes collaboration smoother. But integrating multiple tools into one platform often leads to complexities. Some users report that syncing across apps isn't as seamless as they'd hope, especially when connecting third-party integrations. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Monday.com has built-in automations that help save time by reducing repetitive tasks, like notifying team members when a task is updated or due. While this is a huge plus, the automations can be limited in the free version, so you'll likely need to upgrade to access all the features. Also, advanced automations require a bit of technical setup, which could be a hurdle if you're not tech-savvy. Now, if you're wondering whether Monday.com is the only tool for managing remote teams, that's where things get interesting. While Monday.com is powerful, it may not be the best option for every team. Its broad feature set can be overkill for small teams or those who need simpler tools. That's why it's important to explore other options before making a decision. Tools like Asana and Trello may offer a more user-friendly experience, though they come with their own set of limitations when it comes to custom workflows and scalability. But here's the thing. Managing remote teams isn't just about features, it's about results. That's why I'm recommending an alternative that delivers just what you need, a platform that's intuitive, highly customizable, and ideal for teams looking for a more streamlined way to manage projects without all the extra complexity. Before I dive into that, though, if you want to try Monday.com for yourself, I've got something special for you. By following the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. And I've also added some amazing alternatives that could be better suited to your team's needs. And yes, they come with free trials too. Don't forget, through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So check it out and see how these tools stack up for your remote team management.